So it's the Hurricane Humberto swell, and I'm headed out right now with my dad. What's up, Dad?
Hey.
It's a little dark out because it is nighttime, and we're driving out to a location to go surf. We think it's gonna take the nice swell that is 6 feet at 12 seconds, hopefully. And, you know, could be looking at some overhead waves, and we might be even getting on a boat and going to explore. Good morning, Dad.
Morning.
We're out right now on a little mission. It's been a fun week. A little bit of swell in the water. Got my dad here.
Chilling in the cockpit.
It's been fun. Just having a lot of quality time. And we're looking at a beautiful sunrise.
I feel like an old soul. I feel like a sinking ship. Can't get no sleep, can't just let it be. Like I'm walking on a tightrope. And I feel like a slow dance. And I feel like a last chance. Played hard to get, one too many regrets. Like walking on a tightrope. I wanna go wherever you go, through the night, no matter where the storms roll, till the rising sun meets the morning. Wanna go wherever you go, wherever you go. I feel the weight of my sorrow, without the promise of tomorrow. So much to gain, so much to lose, like walking on a tightrope. I hear the sirens in the west wind. I feel the devil's at work again, saying it's too late. A lifetime of mistakes, like walking on a tightrope. Through the night, no matter where the storms roll, till the rising sun meets the morning. Wanna go wherever you go.
Alright, so we're on our trip back right now. It was a lot of fun, got a lot of waves. Just enjoying the nice open ocean right now. It's a long trip, and it's kind of fun because we took the boat this time, and normally we're in the old beat-up car. So it was a lot of fun. Surfed this right, surfed this left, got a lot of waves. Now we're headed home, and that's the end of the Hurricane Humberto swell in the northeast. And we'll see you on the next swell as usual.